Let's crochet 2 ears of baby pig. Round 1. Start 6 single crochet stitches in magic ring. Pick up the pink yarn. Wrap the yarn once around your pinky. Drape that yarn over your index finger. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold on to that intersection point with your thumb. Stick the hook into the loop from the right to the left. Grab onto the yarn. Bring the yarn through the loop as well as rotate the hook. And if you did everything correctly at this point, you can let go of your piece and everything would stay intact. The first single crochet stitch in magic ring finished. The second SC stitch finished. The third one finished. The fourth single crochet stitch. The fifth one. The sixth one. Pull the yarn tail, and the magic ring will appear. Let's crochet round 2. Start 2 groups of 2 single crochet stitches and 1 increase stitch. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now we'll crochet the second crochet stitch. One SC stitch. In the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Okay, the first increase stitch finished. Group 1 finished. Now, let's crochet the second group. The increase stitch. Group 2 finished. Pull the yarn tail to make the whole of magic ring disappear. Let's crochet round 3. Start 2 groups of 3 single crochet stitches and 1 increase stitch. Remove the stitch marker of round 2 firstly. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now we'll crochet the second crochet stitch. The second single crochet stitch finished. The third single crochet stitch finished. 1 SC stitch. In the same stitch hole. 2 SC stitches. Group 1 finished. The first single crochet stitch finished. The second single crochet stitch finished. The third single crochet stitch finished. The increase stitch finished. Round 3 finished. Let's crochet round 4. Start 2 groups of 4 single crochet stitches and 1 increase stitch. Remove the stitch marker of round 3 firstly. Crochet the first single crochet stitch and use the stitch marker again. The second single crochet stitch finished. The third one finished. The fourth one finished. The first single crochet stitch of the increase stitch finished. The second single crochet stitch of the increase stitch finished. Let's start the second group of 4 SC stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 increase stitch. 1, 2. 1 ear of baby pig finished and leave a long tail for sewing. Remove the stitch marker. Try the second ear on your own.